Hello friends, on this video how you can fix your hotspot problem. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, just move on setting. Suppose your hotspot is on or your friend's hotspot it's connected with you and but it's not working, then you can fix your problem. But before you do these steps, do not forget to check your friend mobile phone or another device or your mobile phone whose mobile phone is the problem. You should check this first, okay? Then only you can follow the steps. Move on system, then you can just system update. You can update your mobile phone. After update, you can just scroll on the down. Here you can see reset phone. Tap on reset phone. After that, click on reset Wi-Fi setting. When you tap on reset Wi-Fi setting, here you are going to find this reset Wi-Fi setting. When you click on reset, here's the reset. If you click on reset, your mobile phone or your hotspot problem, it will be fixed. Example like Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem. This all will fix on your mobile phone, okay, when you tap on reset. Okay friends. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.